Okay, let's say that you want to change your cruise control knobs because they're kind of like worn out, and you're like saying, damn, I got to take off this airbag to get to them. Do I have to unplug the battery and leave it unplugged for a half hour to do this job? Well, the question is no. I do have both batteries still hooked up. You can see that one and that one. Both batteries are hooked up. So what you gotta do is just, take the two bolts off in the back and just carefully, without unplugging these two plugs, just put it on the side like this. Come over here, take off your two bolts that you have holding on to your cruise control switch and make the swap. So here I am. I got it already off. I'm going to change it. This one was a little dull, and this one is a little nicer. So me, the perfectionist, I want the nicer one. So there you go. There you have it. You don't really need to unplug your batteries. Just be cool and not unplugging your airbag unless you want to have a nice little surprise. So there you have it, guys. Done easy, quick. You can do this job in 10-12 minutes. All right, subscribe to my channel. It's free, brothers. Helps me to realize I'm not doing this for nothing. All right, guys, take care. Be cool. Bye.